So what you can also do by using ChatGPT is generate SQL queries so that you can create and manage database with it. So for that, you can give this prompt. So I'm going to go around and say, generate a SQL query in order to create a simple database table with 4 dummy data in it. So once I go around over here and press enter, then what happens is that it generates out an SQL query, as you can see right here. This is what you have. So it says create table dummy data right here, just like this, and then you can go around and then utilize this out. So I'm going to go around and copy this, and you can bring it into an application like Microsoft Access right here and paste it in the SQL query section, just like this. So under the query design, we can go around and run it. And once you run it, a table like this will be generated, as you can see, just like this. And that is how you can generate SQL queries by using ChatGPT. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.